Hey, welcome guys to another video of mine. So we're gonna play Cabin Crew Simulator, and I'm gonna show you how to make a livery in Cabin Crew Simulator. If you're new here, click play right here. And then if you want to create your own livery, go here and then click create flight. I kinda mess up. And then click this, select with your name on it. And then you see this plane in front of you. But if you want to see more planes like this, you can just buy them first before you get your planes. We got this 757 over here, Novus Flight Simulator. And then we got this B767 Garden Airlines. And then this is kinda I'm like a Garden fan, right? So here's how to make one. First, go to your own browser and then search Cabin Crew Simulator livery template. And then if we click this, boom, liveries. Then scroll down a bit, and then click liveries with Cruising Studios on it. And then after that, this page will load here. This will take for a while. Okay, so we're in livery resources over here. We're going to make a livery making. Select any plane you only have. I think I should choose I'll come for the Boeing 737. That's fine. There. Since I downloaded it. Oh, just wait. Okay, we're back. Template B737 over here. It's in front of you. Then go copy this. Pixel. Wait. Copy this. Pixlr.com. This editor. Go search Pixlr. Just only Pixlr. Do not type editor. And then if you go to Pixlr, oh man, it's so blurry. Click this Pixlr, and then the screen will load on you. Okay, so click Pixlr editor, and then open image. Then you see your template here, and then click open. It's right here. See you later, guys. I will go make my own livery. Okay. If you need help, click shape. We don't need that. And then click fill. And then put to white if needed. Wait. That. Now this appears on you, the plus sign. Wait. Before you add the shapes, you need to add text first. Double tap the text. You can type anything you want, like this. Okay, your text is done. You can choose any color you want, like black. And then duplicate. Just put this here. And then, now you can add the shape. Wait. Oops. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, before you submit it, first remove the background. And then, boom, delete it. And then, secondly, click save right over there. This button over here. If you click save, put to the put to JPG, and then put to high quality, put to 100%, and then save as. It can be anything. Airline. Airliner 77. Success! Now the success is finished, and then go to Roblox. This time not in the original Roblox. Go here. Roblox website. You need to just you need to log into this website so that you could do it. So that you could access. Then go to create over here, yeah, and then click creations and development items. Click decals. These are my oldest airlines I made. A twin of Boeing. That's the B787 I made. So upload asset and then click upload. Go here. Click airliner B. Click you should memorize the name. And then if I upload it, this happens. Your same airline that you made. And then you must upload it. And then go to images. You see airliner B737. It's still loading. So I will just wait here. Okay. Then click the 3 dots. Copy asset ID. And then click. And then go to customize. We're back in the original Roblox. This is not the original one. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong plane. Sorry. This is a total accident. Go click here. Go to customize. And then your airline will be loaded. Just wait. And then go to shop. And then go to liveries. Go click create. I will copy and paste. Let's paste. Boom. And then this shows your ID. This time I'm not showing you the ID. Do not copy it. Oop. Then there, preview. Your airline is finished. So this is my airline. That's all for today, guys. So see you later, guys. Bye.